Hi guys and welcome to Project Diaries. Today's just a quick video to give a huge thank you to every single subscriber so far. I've just hit 50,000. I'm blown away again by the amount of people that are loving this channel. I've also hit 3 million views, which is just outstanding. When I first started this, it was just a way for me to show my creativity to friends and family, and I had no idea it was going to go global and be as big as it is. So a massive thank you to each and every one of you for doing that. Also a huge thank you to everyone who's getting involved in my Facebook gardening group. I'll put a link in the description there, and it should be on the screen as well. And basically YouTube have messaged me saying that I'm halfway through a milestone. So if I get 100,000 subscribers, I get one of these awards.
So here are the really cool looking incentive rewards from YouTube. On the right you can see the silver award, and you need 100,000 subscribers to achieve this. On the left you can see the gold award, and that's achieved by getting 1 million subscribers. And in the centre, not many people in the world actually own this award. It's when you reach 10 million subscribers, then you're given the diamond award.
Now YouTube have told me about this, but they haven't really told me about what the algorithm changes are. And we're all still in the dark. Every single YouTube content creator has no idea why their videos are still getting flagged. Every single one of mine are getting flagged. They've changed the ruling slightly, where before you could publish it or have it in a holding system, and YouTube would scan it before you publicised it, before the public can see it, and then you can go through the review system. YouTube have now taken this option away. I don't know whether it's a bug in their system, but you now have to publicise your video, and then within a week period it will then get flagged at any point over that week, and then it could take anything between a few hours to a week to get authorised again. So this is completely slowing down the process for me uploading videos on a regular basis, and I'm pulling my hair out. I know it's kept underneath of the cap, but I literally am. I'm so frustrated and stressed out with YouTube right now. I'm just gonna have to keep doing what I'm doing. So the only advice, if you want to help this channel even more, is please give it a thumbs up. If any of my videos, if you don't know all of my videos by now, there's a link here that will give you a link to a playlist to every single one of my videos. Please try not to cut them off too early. My viewing stats, or YouTube's new algorithm, is based on the amount of time people are watching my videos. So if you can watch them for as long as you can, hopefully you don't find them boring. Try and watch them to the end, and the ads and stuff that pop up as well, if you can just keep those going, that really helps out. Also, loads and loads of comments in the comment section below any of my videos. Please, I'll always try to get back to you as soon as possible. I'll always try and at least message back on the first message. YouTube doesn't really tell me about follow-up messages, so it's always best to do my Facebook gardening group. And then a lot of people asking about my health as well. Since my heart attack last month, it's not been an easy year. I really have struggled, and I've tried to keep all of my bad stuff away from this channel, and I will continue to do that if I can. I've actually been bedbound for the past week, and only just found the energy and the motivation to come out and do this video today. I don't want this channel to all of a sudden become negative. I'm desperately trying not to, and I really do appreciate all the positive messages that everyone's given me. You have no idea how much that is worth to me. I cherish every single positive message, and thank you for that as well. I will give you an update. My cardiologist has told me it's down to stress and anxiety. I know it's not that. I've had that problem quite a while now, and it's not that. I know it's something quite serious with my heart, but I should be getting the test results back in the next few weeks, so I will let you know. But on a positive side, like I say, my new goal is to try and get these 100,000 subscribers. I can then clarify my site and get a little tick by the name, which means YouTube will recognise my efforts and work again. But other than that, keep going guys. I will keep producing videos as much as possible. My health depends on what I'm going to be able to do this year, but as you can see, I'm trying to force some lovely tulip bulbs for Grandad so he gets some colour in the garden early on. And as you can see, this sunshine is absolutely incredible. So if, fingers crossed, 2018 is going to be the one, and we can all grow some serious crops this year without any damage from bad weather or storms. Fingers crossed. But anyway, stop babbling. I'm going to crack on with the little bit of gardening I can do, and I'll see you again next time. Thank you all so much, and take care.